Bannockton to lesson Gist, the second lesson, lesson 2 in our series of introductory lessons to Manx Gaelic. Okay, in this lesson we're going to be talking about the present tense using te, tammy for example, I am. And also using the word due, which means today. So we're going to find out what Hayley and our friends here are all doing today. Firstly, using some adjectives just to find out how they are, how they're doing today. So Hayley, velu ski, are you tired? Velu ski due?
Oh, tammy ski.
Okay. Vel ri gori ski due?
Hanelli.
Okay. Vel joni ski due?
Hanelli.
As quite sure?
Sure Mananan.
Okay. Vel a ski due?
Hanelli ski.
Okay. You understand. Corrie, angry. Velu corrie due?
Hanel me corrie due.
Nach velu?
Hanel. Velu corrie due.
Hanel me corrie due. Hanel me corrie due. Vel rigori corrie due?
Te.
Te. Vel joni corrie due?
Hanelli.
Okay. Vel mananan corrie due?
Hanel Mananan corrie due. Och. Te. Corrie due.
Yindasach. So te corrie due. Manra, happy, manra. Velu manra due?
Oh, tammy manra.
Yindasach. Vel joni manra?
T manra.
Vel rigori manra?
Hanel.
Okay. Vel mananan manra?
Te Mananan manra.
Yindasach. Taruch, busy. Velu taruch due?
Hanel me taruk due.
Okay. Vel rigori taruch due?
Hanel.
Vel joni taruch due?
Te taruk due.
Okay, as vel mananin taruch due?
Te taruk due.
So velad, are they? Velad taruch due?
Hanelad.
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 Skurit, drunk. Velu skurit?
Hanel me skurit.
As mish. Hanel mish skurit. Hanel mish skurit. Vel joni skurit?
Hanel.
Vel rigori skurit?
Hanel skurit.
Okay, you understand.
Yeah. Te corrie.
Te corrie?
Yeah, och Hanel skurit.
Tammy tiggle, I understand. Tammy tiggle. Vel mananin skurit?
Oh, te Manan skurit.
Yeah, te skurit. Te skurit aglach, awful. Te skurit aglach, awful drunk. Scameltach. Okay, but we can also use the verb te with some verbs or doing words. So, for example, govrica means working. Velu govrica due, are you working today?
Tammy govrica due.
Okay, vel mananan govrica due?
Te. Te govrica due.
Vel joni govrica due?
Hanelli.
As fiera finally, vel rigori govrica due?
Hanel.
Okay. Velu chapel, shopping due? Velu chapel due?
Hanel me chapel due.
Okay. Vel joni chapel due?
Hanel.
Hanel. Nach veli?
Hanelli.
Okay. Tammy tiggle, I understand. Tammy tiggle. Velu gu ushjave, drinking gu ushjave, drinking whiskey. Velu gu ushjave due?
Hanel me gu ushjave due.
Okay.
Te Mananan gu ushjave due.
Ah, Tammy tiggle. Te gu ushjave due? Haneli.
Hanelli gu ushjave.
Okay. Gi bonig, eating bonig, gi bonig. Velu gi bonig due?
Oh, Tammy gi bonig due.
Yindasach. Vel a gi bonig due?
Hanel gi bonig due.
Okay. Vel e?
Oh, T.
Okay.
T gi bonig due.
Yindasach. As vel a gi bonig due?
Oh, te gi bonig due.
Ah, yindasach. Chicaner and Chelvish, watching the television. Chicaner and Chelvish. Velu chicaner and Chelvish due?
Hanel me chicanera chelvish due. Tammy govrica due.
Shenkiat. That's right. Vel a chicaner and Chelvish?
Te govrica junius.
So Hanele chicaner
So
and
Haneli chicanera chelvish.
Tammy tiggle. Gerstach, listening. Gerstach Christian radio, listening to the radio. Velu Gerstach Christian radio?
Hanel me geishtach Christian radio.
Nach velu?
Hanel.
Okay.
Velu geishtach Christian radio.
Hanel mi Gerstach Christian radio. Tammy gu ushjave as Tammy chapel. Vel joni Gerstach Christian radio?
T geishtach Christian radio. As T chicanera chelvish news.
Oh, yindasach. Multitaskle. Yindasach. As vel a Gerstach Christian radio?
Haneli.
Tammy tiggle. Well, hopefully that's an introduction to the use of verbs and adjectives with the present tense, te. So that's it for the second lesson. Good night, Hayley.
Shade away.